Long-listed project data are processed to summarize and analyze data that lets you see comparisons, patterns, and trends in the data. A tool to be discussed is a summary data table of two categorical variables and cross-tabulation plot. The relationship of categorical variables in a data is viewed in two columns data table, one-to-multiple relationship in two columns. The first column lists unique items of one categorical variable. The second column contains all the elements of another dependent categorical variable in a cell, each separated by comma. Additionally, a cross-tab plot is a table that summarizes the relationship between two categorical variables, one-to-one relationship. It looks like a scatter plot. Two methods are discussed. One method is based on Excel built-in functions and the cross-tab plot is made using Excel pivot table function. This is implemented step by step and manually. The cross-tab plot created by pivot table function does not look close enough to scatter plot and has limitation, maximum 256 distinct categorical variable. Another method is based on Python. Outcome is made automatically rather than manually and look close to scatter plot without limitation in contrast with Excel pivot table. We may use a full project data in separate worksheet. But for the purpose of simplicity, let's take a project data extracted from the full project data of a project data management system, two categorical variables, one for systems and another for geographical areas involving system, with corresponding project progress data like punch items. Categorical variables relationship table. List down one primary categorical variable you can decide using unique function. Dependent categorical variables are found using filter and unique function and are listed with one in a cell, each horizontally using transpose function in combination. All the dependent categorical variables are made into one text to be contained in a cell using text join method. Once hiding every individual dependent item, we can make a data table showing one-to-multiple elements in two columns. Pivot table. Cross-tab plot can be renditioned using pivot table function. Pivot table finds unique elements for row and columns to summarize the data in the table form. Init method is executed automatically when a new instance of the class is created to read Excel data. We use pandas read Excel method in a data frame. Data pre-processing. Find unique elements to generate summary table of categorical variables for row and column. Series is created by defining column name of the data frame and converted in the list using toList method. Find unique elements from the line using unique method then sorted in the ascending order. This is adopted for row elements and column elements. Categorical variables relationship table. Dependent categorical variables are to be entered in a cell. The multiple variables are joined to make one string using join method. Then create a data frame to facilitate writing to the Excel worksheet. Cross-tabulation plot. Create empty data frame filled with NaN. Replace NaN with blank. Fill data frame with black circle where categorical variables are related as defined in the input data. This is done iteratively using LOC method. Write outcome on the Excel worksheet. Two data frames, one for relation table and another for cross-tabulation plot, are written on the worksheet. Excel formatting such as font, border, alignment, Autofit is followed. Two-column summary table is formed to view relationship between two categorical variables. First column lists each unique item of primary categorical variable, while second column lists all dependent categorical variables as a string in a cell each. In addition, cross-tabulation tables, crosstabs, is generated highlighting one-to-one relationship between two categorical variables, similar to scatter plot. Two ways are discussed, using Excel functions and Python programming. Feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching.